Skillby here, and in this video I'm going to do a review of the EKSA GT1 true wireless gaming earbuds. If you're a gamer, you know that wireless latency can get you killed, at least in game. Regular Bluetooth earbuds can have over 200 milliseconds of latency, which just doesn't work, at least in like a first-person shooter where the timeliness of sound makes a big difference. If I can't hear someone's footsteps approaching me, I'm probably gonna get fragged. And if someone's reloading, I gotta be able to hear it when they actually start the reload, not after they finished and I come around the corner and, oh wait, they're done and I'm dead. So yeah, the sound timeliness makes a big difference in many games. So EKSA has come up with what they claim to be a wireless gaming earbud. Well, let's check them out and we'll see if they are really a gaming earbud. So the cost on these, on their website, which link is in the description, is $78.90. They're currently on sale for $49.99. And I've got a discount code for them that's in the description as well. Nice box. Some of the specs. It is Bluetooth version 5.0. Speaker size 10 mil. 32 independence, sensitivity, frequency, there's a big one. 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. So that's the full hearing range. The earphone batteries are 50 milliamp hours. And the charging case battery, that's this little Cobra shaped thing, is 500 milliamp hours. They're claiming 38 milliseconds ultra low latency, one button switch for game and music mode, and I'll talk about game and music mode. And there's your batteries. So it says 30 hours ultra long life battery. That is referring to this. This is the charging station. The earbuds themselves last around 6 hours, and yes, I have tested that a few times. And me switching them between game mode, music mode, I got pretty much 6 hours out of them. So this will charge the earbuds 5 times before it has to be recharged. It comes with 3 different sizes of the little ear plugs that fit on it. Comes with the cable, USB charging. Comes with a basic user manual. It's got how it works and your controls. And the main thing, the earbuds themselves. Right there, they have a decently large section here, and that's obviously where the battery is. And wait for it, this one's on. Yes, they flash blue lights. Okay, so yes, I just dropped them in. They have, it's magnetic so that they will stay there. And when I say stay there, they really do stay there. This is the charger. They have the blue flashing lights. The blue flashing lights tell you if it's on or if it's charging. Obviously it's charging. You can take this, toss it into your bag, backpack, whatever. They're gonna stay in place. These lights tell you how much charge the charging base has remaining. This one is, it's 25% for each of these. So it's right around 75%. You can have this open or closed while it's charging. So each of the earbuds does have a mic here at the end. So you can use one or both, whichever. And you can take phone calls. They have the one button, does do a good job on like answering phone calls. And for music, you're listening to music and you need to talk to someone or whatever, you can pause it, just tap it. When you're ready to go again, tap it again. It works on YouTube, most of your music apps, whether they're on your phone or your PC. And I mentioned that there's 2 modes. The phone calls and the music, they work in both modes. So they say that these are gaming earbuds. I will say they definitely look it. They look the part, which, you know, gamers, gamers like to look like gamers. They like cool stuff. These have the blue lights. I personally am a red guy. I mean, you know, but the blue still looks good. And the case, charging base is, you know, looks like a Cobra head. So, and these are definitely more stylish. We talked about some specs, covered the looks. That's all great, but are they really any good? Well, I have tested these for several days now. I've been through multiple charges from the base, and I've worn them for hours a day. I've tested them on my iPhone, iPad, and Windows 10 laptop with games, with music, vlogs, YouTube videos, that type of thing. So for comfort, they do have the 3 sizes here. Now, my ears happen to be the medium ones, and they fit really well. They are comfortable. Like I said, I've worn them for hours a day. My wife tried them out, which was a big mistake because, wait, now she wants some. Oh, and her favorite color is blue, so there you go. So another thing that is important. All right, I have worn these push mowing my ditch, working in the yard, working out, jogging. I've sweated. They're splash resistant, but I've sweated and, you know, no problems. And they stayed in. So your ears are not same shape or size as mine, so your mileage may vary, but they don't, you know, they're not gonna, they didn't come out. So for me, the fit, they're sized very well, shaped very well to stay in position. And I should mention that they do function as earplugs. I'm gonna guess, this is purely my guess, that they're probably around 15 decibels. So when I have these in and I'm listening to music or whatever, I can't hear my wife telling me that I need to take the trash out. Works great. In all honesty, you cannot really hear normal noise, talking, volume of things that's going on around you. Now, why do I say this? Because if you are out, say you're at an office location and you have coworkers, you just got cubes or an open office type layout, these will definitely cut back on the distractions of all the noise of your coworkers working. And, you know, if you're going to a gym to work out or something and it's got music playing, as long as that's, or TV's going, as long as that's not, you know, overly loud, I don't think you'll even hear it. So that's the good part of it. Bad part is, you know, when you're jogging, you're not going to hear the cars. Sorry, you're just not going to hear it. So be aware of that, you know, if you're jogging or something like that. And on the phone calls, let me mention that I've tested these in some business meetings, conference calls, as well as had phone calls with my wife and some friends to test them all out. And I heard great. And the feedback that I got from them was that they heard me fine. Now, a couple could hear that I was on a hands-free device. So in other words, from here to here, there's a little bit of, it's not the same sound as talking into the phone. So they heard me great, no problem. Oh, and it didn't pick up background noises. So I did some testing with that where I had a TV on and was talking, and I had to turn the TV up way loud before they ever could hear it. So there's 2 modes. There's the music mode and the game mode. So in music mode, there is that latency of the standard wireless earbuds. So the sound getting to you is going to be delayed a little bit. So if you are saying watching a vlog and someone starts talking, This is when I notice it. When someone starts talking, I'll see their mouth move and then I'll hear it. So it doesn't sync. There's that delay. And that's why, of course, in like gaming, it's bad. Now, in music mode, it sounds great. I have to say, I'm quite impressed. The bass is good without sacrificing the treble. They really do have good sound. So in gaming mode, that latency, it really is cut way down. They say 38 milliseconds, and I think that that's probably exactly what it is. So if you're watching a vlog, the mouth and the sound that you hear, they line up perceptively perfectly. So in games, obviously a wired headset or earbuds is going to give you the least amount of latency. However, 38 millisecond latency from these is almost imperceptible, as in you can actually play a first-person shooter and be competitive. Now, I'm not saying I'd do a tournament with them, but the latency is so small that I'm not sure most people would even perceive it. And the other thing is, even in gaming mode, the sound is still good. You still have bass. It still doesn't sacrifice the treble. The sound in music mode is really good. It is a full, rich sound with good bass, good treble, the works. The sound in game mode still has the bass, still has the treble. It's not quite as full, but I gotta say, more than once, I've had it in game mode listening to music and didn't realize that I was in game mode because the music did sound that good. Final verdict for these EKSA, I'm assuming that's EKSA, GT1 true wireless gaming earbuds. I gotta say, for the price, the looks, the performance, and the comfort, yeah, they're a winner. I will be buying a set for my wife. So yeah, they really are that good. I highly recommend them. I would actually play games with these and not feel like I was at much of a disadvantage. So I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know your thoughts on these in the comments if you would. And good luck with your purchasing decision.